Hey y'all, it's been a while since I actually came on here to vlog. This weekend there's a lot going on in real estate.
I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep it dirty, don't go. Got that ass to flow.
I have an open house that I'm hosting with one of my team members from 4 until 6 o'clock today. Today is Friday, by the way, and the open house is going to be held in Denver. And we're supposed to go door knocking and out in the community to share about our open house later today. And then I have a young lady that I'm working with. She was renting here in the Charlotte area, and then the owner decided that he wanted to sell the property. And so she's needing to find something by the end of this month, by the end of May. So we don't have long because she's currently living in a hotel and she really needs to find something soon. The thing about it is she has financial challenges and things that are showing up on her credit report that is going to make it incredibly difficult for her to go the traditional rental route. So we're having to find off-market opportunities, private landlords, and just places that have lenient, flexible rental criteria for that. So that should be a lot of fun to see if we can get her into something. And obviously, like, timeline is really big on this one. Tomorrow on Saturday we have another open house that we'll be hosting in Charlotte, and currently I have a tentative listing appointment set for Saturday. The lady hasn't confirmed yet, so honestly I don't know if we're gonna do that or not, but it's been a while since I vlogged and I want to pop on here because there's a lot going on. And I got my Dunkin' Donuts. I'm about to head into the office now. But for Christmas this previous year, my aunt got me this little rolly bag, and I absolutely love it for my work bag. It's like a briefcase with wheels. So yeah, but we're gonna head in the office and I'll try to get a glimpse of my work day when I get in. It's already been so much that has happened. I'm also in the process of getting my South Carolina real estate license, and with the state of North Carolina and South Carolina, we have something called reciprocity, to where I will not have to take the actual pre-licensing course for South Carolina. I just need to pass the exam. So that's also what I'm going to be working on these next few weeks. So wish me well. I really need to like catch y'all up also because I forgot to tell you that the office building that we're currently in, we're actually moving offices next week, I believe. May 11th, I believe is the date. It's on a Saturday. And I'm so excited. I'm so excited, y'all. Our new office is so dope. And our new office also has where we can access the fitness center. So that's gonna be perfect because when I'm at the office, I'm literally gonna be taking a lunch break and working out. And this is what I'm wearing today. Yeah. Some basic, you know, basic black and tans. Walk in the office now. And I will see you guys somewhere else along the way. Voila. Right now the time is about 12:28. I have another phone call where I'm jumping on in about 20 minutes or so for another seller who is going to be looking to list her property as well. And then we're going to be heading out to go door knock, talk to neighbors before the open house event begins. Hi Pam, can you hear me? Yeah, this is me. I know. I'm like, you are a busy lady. Yeah, they have a good first-time home buyers program. Good. And then with the property, is there like a remaining mortgage on it, or is it owned outright? Okay. When you do sell the property, how much are you looking to get from the sale of the property? That piece of paper that you receive is the tax value of the house, and it's not like a true home value of what the property would like appraise for if a appraiser was to come out, especially since they're building so much around. I would hate for you to accept a cash offer, because a lot of times you'll have investors just making ridiculous offers on properties trying to get it at a discounted amount when it can actually sell for more. Because when we meet, we definitely want to sit down like at a table so we can lay everything out. So I need to think through what area or what location is going to be best. Okay, y'all, I had to take off my blazer because it's hot outside, and as you can see, the little speckles on my window, it's also raining. So ta-da! On our open house day, so we had plans to door knock the neighborhood, but since it's raining, I do not think that's a good idea because we're going to be drenched before the open house even starts. So I suggested that they have like this outlets area, like it's a whole bunch of stores and whatnot over here. So I suggested to my team member that we just hit up as many people as possible, hand out flyers, talk about real estate, invite them to the open house, and you know, try to invite as many people out as possible to come out to our open house event. So yeah, so he's gonna meet me over here at Walmart, and then we're gonna go from there. So hopefully we can like reach some people. I'm so hungry though. Like, I had Dunkin' Donuts this morning, and God knows I don't need to be spending any money, but I am starving. So yeah, I'm about to drive over here to this Walmart, sit in the parking lot, and make sure I'm acquainted with the house that we're holding open today, making sure I know everything about it. And yeah, we're gonna go from there. While I was in the office earlier, I did set up 2 listing appointments for this weekend, so that's super exciting. It feels good to be making some traction. And yeah, I'm about to I need to take this tank top off so it's not like showing, put my blazer back on, and go from there. Okay, y'all, that was kind of like a waste of time. So we were standing in front of Walmart, not even knowing if we were allowed to be in Walmart, in front of Walmart. I'm pretty sure we were not allowed to be there, passing out open house flyers. We probably talked to like 6 people, but it was super awkward. Yeah, it was super awkward just asking random people if they know anyone who's looking to buy or sell. Like, it was it was given very random. So don't know if I'll be doing that again, you know? Doesn't sound like a good use of time, but it is raining, and even with that, we spoke with 5 people. So yeah, but not a good use of time at all. Hi everyone, we are currently at the open house event. Eddie and I, say hey Eddie.
How's it going?
And we're just getting set up. So this property is 5 bedrooms, over 3,000 square feet of space, which is really nice, 3 levels, stainless steel appliances. This property was built in 2020. Open house starts at 4 p.m. And as soon as you come in, there's actually this office space here. And then you have a formal dine-in, which they decorated really nicely. And your living room with the gas fireplace, and then this open floor plan for the kitchen with this big island and breakfast area. It's nice and big. You're ready for its next owner.
2 hours later.
The open house is over. We had 0 people to come through. Absolutely nobody showed up. Not one person.
Niggas ain't getting no money, tell them quit that cap. Niggas ain't getting no money, tell them quit that capping. Yeah, you need to be relaxing, you need to do your taxes.
Good morning, you guys. I'm up, I'm at it, I'm out and about. The listing appointment that I have for 10 a.m. this morning, they actually canceled because the husband had to work. And yeah, we need all parties to be present. So I'm on the way to the office now. I'm not mad at it. I have an open house at 1 o'clock today. As soon as I get done with the open house, my day is pretty much like filled with other things that I have to do. Honestly, I'm not, ideally in a perfect world, I would have liked for this listing appointment to happen this morning at 10 a.m. But because my day is so back to back to back, like I don't have time for much today. So this will kind of get me back some time on Saturday, because it's literally, this morning is the only time that I have left. My bad. This morning is the only time that I really have left to do anything today before tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm pretty like, everything's pretty steady, but today baby, we're on go. We're back to back, so I'm not mad at it. I just pray that that the lady actually reschedules with us. Yeah. So yeah. Okay, y'all, I am currently on my way to the open house. So I met my team member Addie yesterday, and we are doing an open house at the property that I was just scrolling through. Oh my God, you dropped the papers?
Yeah.
Hey Alvaro.
Hey Alvaro, how you doing?
Say what? And it's raining outside for our open house event today. That sucks. My work bag in here. The property is like 30 minutes from our office, so, and not to mention the sellers have cameras all over their property, so we really got to be careful with our conversation there, because we be talking about business, we be talking about like our team, not in a bad way, but like just how we do things, and that's like proprietary information. So yeah. All right, I feel like I need something to drink because your girl is thirsty. Hey y'all, it's several days later and I'm actually ending the vlog. That weekend was supposed to be productivity, knocking things out. Originally going into the weekend, I had 2 listing appointments that I had set. I also had 2 open houses, one on Friday, one on Saturday. As you've seen, the one on Friday, it was raining that day, so we didn't door knock. We ended up going to Walmart, looking crazy, standing outside, passing out flyers, super awkward. 10 out of 10 would not suggest. Saturday, didn't check the weather again. It was raining. We literally had 1 couple to come through that open house, and they were already working with the real estate agent, super motivated, ready to move, pre-approved and everything, but they already had an agent. So, you know, we want to be respectful. We don't want to step on any toes, and it is against the rules to be soliciting clients who are under agency agreement. So all to say, it was pretty much a flop, because I was banking on those open houses for some of my lead generation last weekend, and it didn't go down like that. So all good, it's all good. I'm trying to think of the positives that came from that weekend. And then the 2 listed appointments that I had set, one for Saturday morning at 10 a.m. they canceled, scheduling conflicts, and then the one for Sunday also canceled because, again, scheduling conflicts. Didn't really work out for her to come into the office that late on Sunday. So all that to say, you know what I'm saying, all that to say, the weekend was a flop. But it's okay, because this week has been much better already so far. And honestly, I haven't even vlogged any this week, but it has been better. So we'll see what comes of it and kind of go from there. The one that did cancel actually last weekend, I'm supposed to be meeting with her this morning. So the only thing about it is it's not like a formal meeting, but it is a Zoom for just me to get to know her a little bit more, learn about her situation a little bit more, and see how we can be of assistance and put her in the best position possible. So that's really what this meeting is going to be about. And yeah, guys, let me know what you thought about this vlog. I feel like this vlog was kind of like all over the place, for real, but I don't know, my perspective, your perspective may be different. So I don't know, I feel like it was kind of whack, to be honest, but you know, I'm gonna still post it. Maybe y'all got something along the way. So let me know what other content you guys want to see, and I will see you guys in my next vlog. Make it a great day. Bye.